families having fun and kids climbing,
sliding, swinging,
birds chirping. You can hear things and it's like gonna get you cheerful or sad, but I would go for the chill for music.
Just people talking, because all there is talking.
Sound comes from a human being's mouth or an animal's mouth, but it's just sound waves going to a human ear.
Everybody likes sound and even music.
It's a big part of development for children. Like, if there was no music or no sound, then we would just be living in a very strange oblivion.
You don't understand people, like, what are you saying?
It's harder to recognize the things around you.
I really don't know how to describe it. It would be very, very strange and oblivious.
I like music.
Yeah, I play the piano. 3.5 years roughly.
I know a song on the piano.
I want to play the drum and the guitar, but I don't have one.
I like to sing. She can sing it.
No!
And I was flying an airplane up.
That's a good song, man. You kind of ripped off the melody.